Alright, y'all. So, as you can see by the title, I'm coming at y'all with this natural 2023 go to look. Now, the only thing that I did not like about how everything turned out is I would have preferred to have gone with a lighter lip. I feel like my lip was a little bit too dark for it to be a natural go to look. But other than that, everything turned out good. I'm becoming more and more comfortable in I guess the word would be content with how my makeup is turning out when I am doing my looks now, because I'm not even going to front. A lot of times once I do my look, I will add a quick little filter, but honestly I'm good without it, and I'm really loving how my makeup is just blending more. I'm really learning my face more, and I know that's crazy to say after this amount of time that I've been doing my makeup, but honestly I think the more you figure out what products work best with each other, and the more you keep practicing and trying, you find out new hacks and tricks that you find that works better for your face. And I think that's what I'm like stepping to now in this era, and I must say that I'm very pleased and happy and satisfied with that. So as you see here, I'm just going to be going in with some of my normal basic makeup tricks that you've seen before, but I'm just going to show you guys how I achieve this look and let y'all just watch and see. One of the favorite, or I guess let me say, like, one of my most favorite parts about doing makeup is when I apply my setting powder. Something about that, it just gives me that like that ease, like, oh, this is so, it's just complete, it just seals everything, but it really, like, I can't even describe it to y'all, but putting my setting powder on under my lids is just really something about it that has become very satisfying to me. Some people may say like the setting spray or doing my brows, adding a concealer. No, the setting powder is really doing it for me, guys. And I feel like you can see why. You just gotta see why. Like, that is just the most satisfying part about doing my makeup. All right, guys, so normally I don't show my lashes, but I'm gonna show y'all this time. I like to put my lashes on when I'm looking because it helps me directly place the lash in the right place. What I'm trying to say, like, I like looking because I can see where I want to place it and directly on the lash line, and that I don't put the lash too much where it's not enough lash on one side or where there's no lashes to adhere to when I'm placing it there. And here I'm just going in with some pressed powder that is closest to my foundation, or the shade closest to the actual bronzer or blush area. And I really know that my voiceover is a little bit everywhere, y'all, but I really didn't plan on doing a voiceover. But there were some parts I wanted to come in and just get my little 2 cents on, or certain parts that I showed that I normally don't show in my makeup routine. And this is what I said in the beginning, why I said the lip didn't work for this look, because like every now and then I like to do my little fake mode action going on with my liner, and the lip just really threw it off. I feel like the lip, it didn't blend well. Like, like somebody might say it looked right, but like everything didn't go as planned when you add certain pieces. Like the lip probably should have been a little bit, the brown should have been browner, if that makes sense. But overall, everything still looked good, but it just, little critiques that you see after you see the video or pictures, or just after you do your look. But guys, that's pretty much it for what I have to say in the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. And as always, guys, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.